Hey guys, it's me, and today we are going to go ahead and I'm going to tell you how to make your very first Canva design. So I have a couple of designs over here. It's quite a lot, but not all of them are quite good. So as you can see, I'm flipping through all of these. I even made like one of my what do you say one of my thumbnails over here, so you can use Canva for like literally anything. So let me show you how to create your very first thing. Now what you want to do is press create a design, then press custom size, and now you can enter the size which you want. Now I'm going to be using a canvas which is 3000 pixels by 2000 pixels. And if you want, you can go ahead and select the other ones which are there, like the basic ones. So like if we go to file, like a magic switch, we can search what we want to basically make it into. So like we can search YouTube, and then we have like YouTube banner, YouTube channel logo, YouTube display ad, YouTube live stream video. So there's a lot of things which we can do here. Now I am going to go ahead and show you all of the things which we can do. Now design. Design is where you can go ahead and get inspired by what you want. Now you can use this for some inspiration, or you can use this as a guideline for what you're gonna make. Now I am going to make a basic greeting card. So I will go ahead and select one greeting card. So let me just go ahead and search. I'm gonna press return, and there are so many greeting cards which we can find. Now I am going to go ahead and take this one right here. Now I know this is not a greeting card, but we can use this for our design. Now if we want to add stuff to this little template, we're going to press elements. Here we can find so many cool stuff. Now let's go ahead and decorate this. So I'm going to delete the background because I don't really like the background. Now we're going to search in the elements what we want. Now if we cannot find what we want, we can click the AI image generator. Let's go ahead and try this. Now what I want is a pink flower background. Now let's press return, and now we will just have to wait just a bit for this background to come. So let's go ahead and wait a bit. I'll fast forward. Okay, so I'm back and we have gotten some really cool ideas. Let's go ahead and try generating again because I didn't really like those. Okay. So let's see. Ooh, I like this one because it looks pretty. So we're going to press the 3 dots on this image and press set image as background. Now we have it as our background, but I don't think it looks good now as the background, so let's go ahead and select it and press the dustbin. Let's go ahead and use the normal backgrounds. If we click on this like rainbow icon when we're clicking on the back, so we can see this plus with some really bright colors. We want to click that. Now we can go ahead and see if we want just a solid color or if we want a gradient. If we press gradient, we can add so many different colors. If we click the plus in grading colors, we can add some more colors over here, and we can choose the style. So there's one which is like this. So the one is like left to right, one is up and down, one is like in the corner, one is in the circle, and one is also in the corner. So this is a really good way to gradient. Now I want a gradient, so let's go ahead and do that. And I'm going to make it 3 colors. So I'm going to go ahead and make this yellow. Then I'm going to go and make this one pink. And then the last one I'm going to go ahead and make purple. Let's see. So it's a bit hard to move this little slider, but if you have like a little Apple Pencil, maybe a little bit easier to move the slider. I'm going to use my Apple Pencil for this. You don't need an Apple Pencil, but I'm going to use it. So now we got a nice background, and we can go ahead and arrange these in a nice way. So now we can go ahead and add anything which we want. Now first, we can go ahead and go to text. Here is where you can get really creative. Now you can either add your own text box, or you can use these pre-made text boxes which you can use. So I'm going to use my very own, and I'm going to show you how you can make your own, like you can make your own text. So I'm going to say love all animals. So I'm going to say love all animals, and let's make this text really, really big. Let's size it up, and I want it to be in the center. If I can get it in the center, that is. Okay, well, this spot is good. I'm going to go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. And now I'm going to show you how to add effects and change the font. So you want to click on it and press this little icon right here next to this minus and plus, and you want to go ahead and choose your font. So you can even like search the font's name, and there's even text styles. So this one, you can go ahead and explore this area. I don't think there's much over here, but in font there is so much. So we can go ahead and use any font which we want. So we can go ahead and we can find a font which we like this one. And I think this one, which is Buffalo, I think I like. So we can go ahead and create it a little bit bigger. And alright, so it looks good now, and now I'm going to show you how to add effects. This is really simple. So the second last button is called effects. Now you want to press that, and you see style. So there's none, shadow, lift, hollow, spice, outline, echo, glitch, neon, and background. Now I'm going to use neon because it's my favorite. Yes. So we can choose the intensity. So if we want it to be really bright, we can choose 100. Really low, we can choose 1. But 50 is the medium. So I'm going to choose 50. And we'll go to the A with like a rainbow bar. Press this plus, and now we can color it. I'm going to go ahead and choose a bright pink. And this looks amazing. Now we can go ahead and change the text. I want it to be hello. Let's just put hello. Now we can really go ahead and add some really cool stuff with our camera roll. Now here we can find out some really cool images which we can use in our photos. So like, yeah, here we can add so many cool stuff to our, presentation. So we can add like all of these photos which I have. Even using like the AI generator, you can create your own photos and add them. Now we can go to uploads, and here we can find like some of the recent pictures which you have used. Now this is very useful if you want to use a recent image which you have added. Now next is draw. This drawing area, it's not the best, but it's still good if you just want to add a couple of details like a little heart. You can add like a little heart, and if you want to add like a little star, so you can use this to just add just a bit to your drawing. And now we have projects, and that's all. There's a lot of other stuff which you can see, but I'm not too much into that, so yeah. So you can go ahead and use Canva for basically anything. We can use it to create like a notebook and stuff. I'm creating a notebook myself actually, and let me show you. So I have used a repeating pattern from Procreate for the cover, and I'm starting to work on my pages, which is going to look so cute. You can use any size you want and use Canva as a really good editing tool. So I hope you learned a bit about Canva, and yeah. But the last thing I want to show you is how you can animate some stuff in Canva. So I want to go ahead and I want to show you this because this is really cool. Animation can be really good in Canva. So let's go ahead and create a new design, and I'm going to show you. So this is so easy. You can just make so many designs really quick which have animation. So I'm going to select this little cookie, and let's animate this cookie. I'm going to set it in the center, make it a little bit big. And I'm going to press animate. Now there are two different types of animations. There is these basic ones. There are these. Okay, so there are these basic ones called like rise, pan, fade, stomp, neon, like that. But the one which you can get really creative with is create an animation. Drag elements around the canvas to create your own animations. Now this one is a really good one. So you want to click on it, and now it's going to show you a tutorial. So you just want to hold it and then move it. So select the one which you want to move, and now you can create the path. So I'm just going to create a random path to show you guys. Look at that. It follows really easily, and you can create any path you want. So I'm going to be like going down, jump, 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 jump. So look at that. It goes really easily, and you can select the speed and like the type, like smooth. I want it to be smooth and have a bit of speed. Look at that. We just created an animation really easily in Canva. Now we can add some more stuff like a little cupcake, and we can animate it. So we can have these little two ones. We can have one more cupcake, and we can animate it. This one is going to be okay. Delete that. let's go ahead and try that again. Looks like okay. So let's go ahead and make this really, really long and boop. So I'm going to set the speed really fast. Ooh, that's too fast maybe. Okay, that's good. So now we can click on this icon which says 5.0 seconds, and we can press the button which is the play button, and we can see our animation in motion. So this is a really easy way to animate, and it's so good. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and subscribe only if you want to, and